Sony seems to be preparing some exciting new entries for its popular FX lineup, and while nothing has been officially confirmed, the rumored information about the FX30 II and FX50 has definitely caught the attention of filmmakers. Both models are expected to cater to different segments of the video production market, but each brings its own set of potential features that could make either one the go-to choice depending on your needs. Let's take a look at what we might expect from these rumored cameras. Let's start with the Sony FX50. It could be the super 35mm version of the ILME FX6, a camera beloved by many in the professional filmmaking world. One of the key features being mentioned is an 8-speed IBIS, which could be great for handheld videography. Paired with variable electronic ND filters, this system is rumored to offer smooth and precise control over exposure, making it easier to handle tricky lighting situations on the fly. But what's really intriguing is the recording capability. The FX50 is expected to support 4K at 120 frames per second, which would be ideal for high-quality slow-motion work. What's unclear at this stage is whether Sony will stick with the same sensor found in the FX30 or opt for a lower resolution, similar to the FX6, possibly with quad-bare binning tech to enhance low-light performance and dynamic range. In our opinion, the FX50 sounds like it's going to be a real powerhouse, especially if you're a filmmaker looking for the flexibility of super 35mm, with the added benefit of advanced stabilization and ND filtering. It's designed for professionals who want the best of both worlds: high frame rates for creative slow-motion footage and a robust sensor capable of handling a variety of shooting conditions. Now, let's talk about the rumored successor to the FX30, the FX30 II. If the rumors are to be believed, the FX30 II will continue to use a 26.1 megapixel APS circa BSI CMOS sensor, which is already known for its excellent detail and low light performance. One of the standout rumored features is its 8-stop, 5-axis pixel-level image stabilization. If true, that would provide incredibly smooth handheld footage, even in challenging environments. In addition to its solid sensor, the FX30 II is expected to feature AI-based real-time tracking autofocus. Another big plus? UHD 4K up to 120p, allowing for high-quality slow motion that rivals higher-end cinema cameras. While it's still an APS-C sensor, the dual-base ISO feature and wide dynamic range, around 14 stops, make it a solid choice for anyone who wants professional-grade video quality in a compact, user-friendly package. While the FX50 and FX30 II are both rumored to be part of Sony's FX lineup, they seem to target slightly different markets. The FX50, with its super 35mm sensor and potential for a lower resolution design like the FX6, appears to be more focused on professional filmmakers who want a higher-end camera with better low-light performance, stabilization, and flexibility with variable ND filters. On the other hand, the FX30 II sticks to an APS-C format but cranks up the features with impressive stabilization, advanced autofocus, and slow-motion capabilities. On the flip side, the FX30 II looks like it will continue to dominate the APS-C category with its impressive autofocus, stabilization, and color science, making it a versatile tool for content creators, YouTubers, or even indie filmmakers who need a more affordable yet powerful camera. The compact design and robust video features without the need for external cages make it an excellent choice for run and gun shooting or anyone who needs portability without compromising on quality. If you're someone who's already working with super 35mm or looking to step up to a more professional-grade camera with top-tier stabilization and ND filter control, the FX50 is probably going to be worth the wait. On the other hand, if you're a content creator or filmmaker looking for something versatile, powerful, and compact, the FX30 II looks like it could be one of the best APS-C cameras in the market when it comes out. Ultimately, we'll have to wait for the official word from Sony to see how these two cameras stack up for real. But if the rumors are anything to go by, both models could make a serious impact when they finally hit the market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.